welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Wendalyn Lynette and welcome to the channel. Y'all, it is Vlogtober. Yes, I am going to try and be diligent and upload a video. I'm gonna promise 5 times per week. So it may be a little shorter than usual, but you know, my life ain't all that exciting where I have all this pile of content to be bringing to y'all every single day. So I'm gonna have to cut it up some. So bear with me, but we're gonna try out this Vlogtober thing. It's not probably gonna be every day, but I'm gonna try to commit to 5 days per week until the month of October is over. So in today's video, I'm just making some dinner. We're just having some surf and turf pasta. Enjoy the video. Hope y'all like it. Thanks. Bye.
As tension is building, yeah, and driving us crazy. Sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull, that friction so sensual. Clutch, draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you been all my life? Just play by the rules. Baby, hold out until it's too much. And I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah, and driving us crazy. Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees